Utilities and buildings don't suffer from a lack of data. They suffer from a lack of clarity. Every day, operators collect millions of data from water, electricity, and gas meters. But turning that data into insight, action, and decisions still takes time, manual effort, and experience. That's where 810AI comes in. Assistant, insight, forecasting, predictive maintenance. 4 pillars that turn raw data into understanding, foresight, and action. The first pillar is AI Assistant. Embedded directly into the 810 platform and website, it provides instant guidance, anytime, any role. This means faster responses, higher platform adoption, and a clearer understanding of how users interact with the system. So the platform continuously improves. The second pillar is AI Insight. Instead of manually analyzing charts and exports, it explains what the data is telling you. This focuses on non-revenue water and leakage insights automatically generated, structured, and easy to understand. The third pillar is AI Forecasting. By learning from historical usage patterns, it supports demand forecasting and network heat maps. This helps operators plan distribution more effectively, optimizing energy, water, and resource allocation across different zones, buildings, and user groups. The fourth pillar is AI Predictive Maintenance. It evaluates asset performance over time, supporting calibration planning and maintenance decisions. Operators gain a deeper understanding of asset quality, optimize resource allocation, and reduce potential losses before failures occur. Less manual work, better decisions. Real operational intelligence powered by 810AI.